And some of these machines have got names on them, but without an order number, they're still available.
Now, you'll know how important it is to get your machine tool of choice delivered promptly to your company, and that's exactly what we're talking about today. Lee, thanks for joining us here in the studio. Stock machines, how important is it for companies to get what they desire and what they need quickly, certainly in today's manufacturing environment?
It's often very important, and it's something we lose out on because we don't generally build machines and have stock machines where others do.
But that's all changed, or there is some machines for now, hence the reason I had to get this on film, because we do a lot with Starrag and we see your technology around the world in the factories, at the Nicking Innovation Centre and all of these companies. And often I think to myself, you're not going to be able to get a product of that ilk, of that capability quickly, but you can at the moment.
You can, and it's an unusual situation. We build to order because we specify machines for projects. However, we do have a handful of machines available right now, ranging from 0.5 metre table up to 1.25 metre table.
And this would be horizontal, 5-axis machines. Give us just the audience the flavour of what those machine types are.
They're all Heckert machines, so built in Germany. They're all horizontal machines. The 1250 is a machine with a quill, 150 diameter quill. There's a 2 machine sizes with a 5-axis trunnion, and then the others are 4-axis.
Okay, with these machines, Lee, everybody thinks, okay, great, machines in stock. Well, why should I go for something like a Heckert machine? You know, what difference is it going to make to my company? It's not just about having the machine available, it's about what it's going to do for the business.
For sure, and I say that's why we build machines specifically for applications and specifically for customers' requirements. These are out of the box. You can't change the specification on them. Whatever the spindles are, whatever the tool changes are, that's what you're getting. But if somebody needs a very high performing, very high accuracy machine, X stock or on a very short delivery.
And I would imagine, Lee, there's a lot of interest in these machines is there currently. People have got to be quick.
They have, and some of these machines have got names on them, but without an order number, they're still available.
Okay, so there is still a chance if you're interested in high performance and high productivity delivered to you quickly, then talk to Starrag UK. And of course, you can see all of the exact machines on the MTDCNC website. Thank you very much, Lee.
Thank you.